Smali Code. Let's try together to understand the Smali Code format and its declaration. What we see in the left side is the Smali variable types. Every language has its own variable type. In Smali, we have several basic and known types. For example, void, boolean, char, and so on. In Smali Code, as you see in the left panel, V symbolizes void type, Z symbolizes boolean, and C symbolizes char. Now let's explore how does function declared in Smali. The first declaration is the hello function. So function name is hello. Hello gets 3 arguments of I. Look at the left table and see that I means int. So hello gets 3 arguments of type int. The Z that appears after the parenthesis means that the returned function value should be Z type. Z means boolean, so the function returned is boolean value. The second function declaration is a bit more complicated. The second hello function gets 5 parameters: boolean, int array, string, and long. So whenever you see an opening square brackets before the type, it means that it is an array of the appeared type. The return value is a Java string type. This is why you see the complete class name, Java lang string. As for function call, let's see the Smali function call example. Generally, there are a few ways to call function, and it depends on the function type. Function types, for example, are static function, virtual function, and private function. What we see in the first example is a direct function call. Direct call used to call private function. In this case, we call the init function. Init are defined in tab activity class, and it's one of the class private function. Init get no parameters as you see. The second example is a function call to make text function. The function gets 3 arguments, context object, int, and another int. Between the curly brackets, you see the parameters that are sending as an argument to the function v0, p1, and v1. The returned value is a toast object. So after you understand how does function call look like, you may ask yourself, why does init function get no parameters and it has an empty parenthesis, but in fact we see it sent p0 as an argument. Please save your question later on. We will discuss it later.